Welcome back to Stacked. I'm Bruce, and in this video I'm going to show you the user information panel. So bottom left by your picture, presumably, you can click on your user information, and this is your basic user information that shows your name and post nominals, so what's going to be used in your signature on documents. Your rate category is important. You can change your password here, as can the administrator. And if you are an administrator or principal, somebody who sees HR information, you'll want to enable two-factor authentication. Individual users, to create project risk assessments, you also need a personal risk assessment, and this is where you do that. It's just a series of questions that establishes how experienced you are, essentially. This is where you upload images of signatures, stamps for drawings, and initials for letters of assurance or other types of documents. So each one of these will have a default, and you can have several if you're doing work in different provinces, etc. There's a few indicators here that show you a snapshot of things like sick days, holidays, and how long you've been employed, and a holiday calculator if that's set up in system settings. So that's your personal user information panel, and administration may see everybody's user information. And in this instance, I don't have two-factor authentication enabled. So I just showed you that you can't access HR information if that two-factor authentication hasn't been completed. So I'll go to a different instance where that has been done. To do that, by the way, just follow the steps, enable 2FA. There's several options here to set this up, and once it's set up, it'll look something like this. So in a different instance now that I have two-factor authentication enabled, very similar to the personal user information panel, there's just options to change roles and permissions if you are in the system users now sort of administrative user information panel. Some performance indicators and employee KPI report are different. HR information, if you authenticate with 2FA, I will do that now. And now you can see employee information that's useful to store in Stacked. So things like pay ledger information and potentially some integrations with employee benefits. That's it for this video. If you like this type of walkthrough and want to see more, like and subscribe. Stacked by DesignTIME. Thanks.